Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. This is a package from, obviously, Myojo Foods USA, purveyors of fine, fresh, refrigerated section noodles that I've tried in the past and been absolutely enamored with. So there's a couple varieties in here I haven't tried. Let's crack it open and have a look. Oh. So first off, we've got a card showing where you can contact them and follow them and check out their products. Very cool, and I highly recommend it. Their stuff is top notch. And this is super cool. What are these things called? Pop sockets. So you put it on the back of your phone and you can pop it out and like use your fingers so you don't like drop your phone. I'm getting a collection now. I don't put those kind of things on my phone, but I'm getting a collection of these from different noodle companies. So that's like really cool. And I know there's like some kind of thing I can use it for other than putting it on my phone. So yeah, very cool. Thank you. Wow, this is really cool. Look at that. It's a kitchen timer. I'm stoked on this. I have like up above me back here, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a kitchen timer graveyard because I go through kitchen timers. I'll like put them up on the little stove hood, right? And you know me, I'm gonna bang my head into the stove hood and the thing falls down on the stove, you know, gets banged up, and after about maybe 4 or 5 months, they end up dying. I got a new one that's like this big. But this is really cool. I've never seen an instant noodle company kitchen timer. I want to hear it go off. So it's got a little tab you pull. So we'll set it for 1 minute or 1 second, and then let's do it for 2 seconds. We got to have some kind of. Oh, we got 3 seconds. Yeah. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. That's not bad. It's not screaming loud. It's pretty mellow. Okay, and you hold the 2 down and it clears it, yeah. Very cool, thank you. I'm stoked on this. And as a sticker fiend, I'm stoked. 2 ramen stickers, thank you. So the other things they included go along with these 2 varieties that they sent. So here is the soy sauce vinaigrette variety. Generally, this is what you call the hayashi soba, chuka soba. You cook it, you rinse it with cold water, put like vegetables with it. It's really, really good. More of a summer thing. However, there's a recipe so you can make maze soba, which is not cold. So I'm going to try that with these because I've had this variety before and reviewed it, and it's really quite good. So yeah, this sounds like fun. And I'm guessing plenty of you recognize this packaging. This is ippei-chan yakisoba. What's different about this? Well, this is a fresh noodle yakisoba. Usually you'll see something that looks a lot like this, of course, in a tray of a dry fried soba noodle. So I am really, really keen on trying this. It looks like it comes with the mayo. I don't know if this is the mayo / mustard, the karashi mayo kind of thing going on. I don't know, but yeah, this is going to be great. I'm really looking forward to this. Thank you. And this is a little information card that they included about the product. Well, super cool. Arigato to Taku-san and everybody else over at Myojo USA. I'm really, really curious about this one, and this maze soba recipe for the vinaigrette sounds really good. So, yeah. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.